Hello friends, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video, we'll show about how to fix if iPhone XR ringer volume is too low. So watch this full video to learn how it works. Fix 1. First of all, open the settings app. In settings, you can see the option sound and haptics. Tap on sounds and haptics. Here you may see the ringer and alert option. Just tap and drag the button to maximum. It's done. Now we'll go for Fix 2. Go to Settings app. Here scrolling down to below and select Accessibility option. Here you can see the option Audio or Visual under Hearing. Here tap toggle on the button next to Phone Noise Cancellation. It's done. Now Fix 3. Launch Settings app. Now select Do Not Disturb option. Here check the button next to Do Not Disturb. If it is turned on, then turn it off to disable it. Simply take toggle off next to Do Not Disturb. It's done. Now we'll go to Fix 4. Open the Settings app. Now select Accessibility option. Here select Audio or Visual option. Now tap toggle on next to Mono Audio. So please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.